Hello my dear students, good morning second class. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your social class. In last video we have completed chapter number 3 healthy food and today we will start chapter number 4. Chapter number 4 is water. Okay. In this chapter we discuss three things. The first one is need of water, sources of water, drinking water. Okay, these three things we will discuss in this chapter. Okay, as we all know that water is very essential for our life and it's now become basic needs of our life. It's a natural resources and without water life is not possible on earth. Okay, and it has no color, no taste, no smell. And now we discuss what is the need of water. Water is really important for our life as we used it in many ways for drinking, for washing, for bathing, etc. Plant and animals both have need of water to grow and to bath. They make their own food in the presence of water, air and sunlight. Okay. Plants make their own food in the presence of water, air and sunlight. Animals need water to drink and bath. Sources of water. There are two types of sources of water, surface water and underground water. Surface water means rainwater is the main source of water and clouds provide water in the forms of rainfall. So, example of surface water are rivers, pond, ocean, lake. So these are called surface water and river, lakes, seas, oceans, etc. are called water bodies also. Okay. Now we discuss underground water. Underground water means some amount of rainwater goes into the ground. This is called underground water and we get underground water by the help of tube well, hand pump, bore well, etc. These are the examples of underground water. Okay. Now there is a pictures task for you. There is some pictures given below and you will identify these pictures, then write their names. Do it in your book only. Now we discuss drinking water. What is drinking water? Drinking water is the water that is safe for drinking. This is called potable water also. Okay. And water in rivers, lake and ponds may not be clean. It contains germs. So it's not safe for drinking. And we can boil and filter the water by boiling or filter. Then it become potable water. Okay. So this is the chapter. Water is complete now. Now we will discuss the exercises based on this chapter. Okay. So the first exercise is tick the correct option. First one is water is a, and you have to tell the forms of water. Water is a solid, liquid or gas? It's liquid. So we correct that option, liquid, then write liquid. Question number 2, dash is the main source of water. Which is the main source of water? Rain. Okay. So we write here rain. Next one is number 3, we should drink dash water. Which type of water we should drink? Clean. Okay. So we write here clean. Number 4, river, lake, seas, etc. are called water bodies. So we tick that option, water bodies. Number 5, there are dash types of sources of water. There are two types of sources of water. So we tick that option 2. Now the next exercise is true and false for the following and you will answer for these statement. First one is drinking water is also called potable water. Is it true or false? Tell me. It's true because drinking water is also called potable water. It's true. Second one is some animals live in water. Yes, it's also true. Third one is water is a man-made source. No, water is a natural source. So this is false. Number 4, water is one of our basic needs. Yes, water is now basic needs of our life. Number 5 is clouds provides water in the form of rain. Yes, clouds provides water. So it's true. Now the third exercise is fill in the blanks. First one is our body functions depend on water. Okay. So the correct answer is water. There is a help box for you. You will identify the correct answer for these blanks. Question number 2. Well is the best example of dash water, underground water. Number 3 is water is very essential for life. Yes, the correct answer is essential. Number 4, animals need water to drink and bath. Okay. These are the correct answer, drink and bath in fourth sentence. Number 5, dash is use water to grow. Who use water to grow? Plants. So this is your fill in the blanks. Next one is answer the following questions. Now we will discuss answer the following questions. Question number 1, why do we need water? We need water as all our body functions depend on it. So water is important for us. And our life is not possible without water. Question number 2, name the sources of water. The sources of water divided in 2 groups. So we write here 2 groups. Surface water and underground water. Okay. Number 3, what is underground water? Most amounts of rain water goes into the ground is called underground water. Okay. The fourth one is what is drinking water? Drinking water is the water that is safe for drinking. Okay. This is the answer of this question. Question number 5, why all water is not safe for drinking? The answer is all water is not safe for drinking because it contains germs. Okay. So your answer question is complete now and you will do this exercise in your notebook. Okay. Next exercise is buzz time. This is your homework. You will do it in your book only. Okay. Take the pictures in which we use water. Okay. Take only those pictures in which water is used. Now next exercise is thinking skill. In this exercise you will color the pictures, those pictures which shows water is being saved. Okay. Those pictures shows save water. You will color only these pictures. Okay. So this is your homework. And you will draw 2 pictures of surface water and 2 pictures of underground water in your notebook. Okay. This is your homework. 2 surface water pictures and 2 underground water pictures. Okay. So this is your homework. Now your chapter is complete. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day.